Hi everyone, my name is Anne and I am with my colleague Amin. In this tutorial, we'll show you in less than 3 minutes how to share all your scans with your team and start collaborating. So here is my dashboard, main page by default. I have just created a new scan on the app I need to check on, Facebook, in my example. So I need to share it with Amin. Therefore, I will manage an organization. Just here, access, I can see by default my organization name has been set up with my email address. I don't want to keep that name, so I'm going to change it in my settings profile. Here it is. I edit. Let's enter tuto demo. And then I go back in my organization. I am the only one so far, part of this organization. I will add a user, and there I enter Amin's email. Submit. Invitation sent. That's it on my side. Amin.
Oh, thanks, Anne-Laure. I just received your invite. So I click on the join button. I need to create a new account. So I set my email and my password, hit the create button. Then I activate my account. Great. Now I can log in. Here I am in my dashboard. It's freshly created. I do not have any scans or metrics. But since Anne-Laure invited me to join her organization, let me switch to it. To do that, on the top right of the screen, I have the list of my accessible organizations. I click on Tuto Demo Organization and it switches automatically to that one. Now I can view the scans, the findings, and all the features related to that organization. That's it for this video. Thanks for your time.